Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're talking about foregrounds and textures, to something you put in front of your picture to make some unique looks on your Instagram page. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about photography, videography, type of related stuff, then make sure you press the red subscribe button down below, followed by the bell notification to never miss a video. So the first thing you want to do is take these pictures as foreground. So go ahead and take a photo of your table or whatever, some type of texture. So these are a couple of photos that I'll show you right now. Those are all my photos that I took in texture form. So you can edit them black and white, and that's the best way to do it, because if you edit them black and white, then they come out cleaner on your picture. So enjoy, have some fun with taking these pictures. So yeah, your table, your floor, your everything you can do, everything you can think about is a texture. A window with some dust particles on there is all a texture. So now that you have your photos, then, well, let's just head over to the computer and let's just finish off the rest there.
Okay, so this is the photo that I will be editing today. So I already edited it the way how I liked it. I just have to put some effect on there and then done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this picture here, so which is the edited version, and we just drag that over there. We drag this down there, and then we change it to hard light. So then you have this effect, which doesn't look like a lot. It actually looks very ugly, but yeah. So what we do, we change the opacity to something that we like, something like this. So looks pretty darn nice already, but it's not there yet. We have to kind of change the contrast by the curves a little bit. So how you do that is just a simple S curve like that, and this one we up just like that. So something like this, maybe a little bit less bright darkness there, something like this. This looks nice. And then we at the end, we still do the levels, which actually increases a little bit of contrast. You hold Alt and you drag this button here, so until you see black. That black means that there is no content there. And on this side we will change the same thing until you see white, as you see there. It's to brighten it back up, what can be brightened, and darken the stuff that can be darkened. So then you have this thing here. So let's just go back to curves, because I am not that happy with the shadows there. The highlights are too bright. Just a smaller S curve there. I think this is it, guys. This looks perfect. So now what we do is grab the eraser. Background eraser tool is the best, and we change the brush size, the hardness to, let's say 50. So yeah, now I'm just doing this here, just the house, because that's what I want to stop having the effect, because the house I like to have clear. So just go over it, and then a little bit of plants here and there, so that basically around the house it's all nice and clean, which I really like. And then the sky, it's like that, and that's it. There we go, just a couple of clicks here and there is your picture that you just edited. So anyways, let's go back to the camera itself and I'll talk to you guys there.
So yeah, and this technique you can use in a lot of photos and all that. It's unique. It makes you stand out on Instagram. I like this effect. So literally, you do what I told you. You take a photo of any type of texture. Anything that is repetitive over the whole photo, and then you put that photo on top of that. Make sure it's black and white, because if you have it in color, then it will not look as nice, because it's gonna make this brown effect, which is not as nice as the black and white effect. So make sure you have it on a black and white picture, and then the back picture can be colored or whatever you want. So that is up to you if you want to have it on a black and white picture or something like that. But make sure that the foreground is black and white. So, and then after that you just render the picture, and then you should be having something like this. So yeah, beautiful picture, I think. So So maybe you want to hit me up on Discord. Down below in the description there will be a link to my Discord channel, and you can share your picture that you created yourself. Maybe I can give you a couple of tips and tricks how to improve, or maybe you already have the perfect picture. So just let me know down below in the Discord, then you can join that. Hopefully you can do the same type of effect. Yeah, so just take your camera and take the photo, and yeah, take the foreground photo and stuff like that. And maybe I'll see you guys then in the next video. Hopefully I can subscribe and like the video. The goal for this video will be 10 likes.